Hi, I'm Neely, and I'm going to show you how you can shop for products for your clients to make sure they're set up for success and your projects run smoothly inside the Hub by GoDaddy Pro. The Hub by GoDaddy Pro makes suggesting and purchasing products for your clients simple. To start purchasing or recommending products for your clients, you'll need to add a client to your account. After adding the client or accessing an existing client within the Hub, click the Shop for Client button under the Client Details section. You'll also find this button within any of your projects too. After clicking Shop for Client, you'll have access to get your client set up with almost every one of GoDaddy's products. Select the product that you wish to purchase and they'll be added to the shopping cart. There is a Share button that you can click on to receive a link to the shopping cart. You can send that link to your client if you'd like him to review the products before purchasing. To continue purchasing products, click the Continue button. You'll be brought to the Review Orders page. The cart and total purchase amount displays on the left-hand side of the page. You'll have three options on the right-hand side of the page: My Card, Client's Card, and Email Cart to Client. The My Card option will charge your card on file with GoDaddy, and the products will be managed in your GoDaddy account. Client's Card option will charge the card that your client has on file with GoDaddy. The products will be managed in their GoDaddy account. Click the Continue to Checkout button to be taken to the final checkout screen to complete the transaction. In order to have this as an option, you will need the Delegate Access Manage Products and Purchases with your clients. The Email Cart to Client option allows you to send an automated email to your client. The email has a link to the shopping cart that you've prepared. Your client will be able to click the link and complete the transaction. You can check the Send a Copy to Me box to have a copy sent to your email. The Hub by GoDaddy Pro makes shopping for products for your clients simple. I'm Neely, and thanks for watching.